Hey everybody, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you quickly how to replace ribbons for your new typewriter. So yeah, I bought this little ribbon from Staples. I think it's more for like electronic calculating machines, but as you can see, it's gonna be doing just fine for my current typewriter I'm working on, a Royal Sprite. There's I guess a video not too far from this one. Okay, it's actually a little, there you go, a little bead that's holding the ribbon. And as you can see, I'm wearing gloves because it's gonna get dirty. So yeah, I paid around, like, I think it was maybe $8 for the ribbon. So it's not that pricey. Canadian dollars, of course. So basically, let me just get behind the camera if I can. Yeah, you got the little, I hope you can see, a little pointy arrow. Yeah, like that. Basically, you just want to jam the ribbon in there, and then we are gonna roll it up. I'm just gonna use my finger and just see. Yeah, just push it through, and should be going quite easily. There you go, just like that. And just show it to you again. Come on, zoom. There you go. And I'm just gonna roll it around the old spool like that. And by the way, if you get an old typewriter and you have like spools on them, don't throw them away, because as long as they're good, the right width, you can basically buy any ribbon off the internet or store and just respool it on your old spools. So yeah, this is a pretty good little trick to know. But you know, you can get probably the right spools right off the internet. Just need to search with maybe like keywords like your typewriter's model, and yeah, you can get that pretty easily. Well, I thought this ribbon wasn't gonna be that long, but yeah, it's kind of longer than I imagined. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this so I can see what I'm doing. That works better like that. So yeah, I guess that's how you do it. And on the other end, well, when I reach the end of this ribbon, I'm just gonna do the same exact thing on the other spool. I'm gonna run it through the little pointy arrow, and it's gonna be that. Then I'm gonna respool it on my typewriter that I just finished cleaning. As I'm making this video, I actually just need to like maybe put a little car wax on it so it shines a little more. It's actually a great thing to do, like if you have it works especially great on metal typewriters. I have an old brother Charger 11 typewriter, and I did put some some car polish, and it's actually a polish and a wax at the same time. It's this one from Silver Wax. Basically, it was the only one I could find quickly this summer, and it's still like super shiny, and I've noticed that it doesn't leave like finger marks when I do touch the typewriter, so that is pretty great, and it keeps it all shiny and bright and beautiful. So yeah, well, that ribbon is way longer than I imagined, so that's pretty great. I think I will be, of course, testing it in my typewriter to see how deep the imprint is. But yeah, I think I'm going to be buying some more of these from Staples because they are really like, I don't know, what's the word I could use? Fresh. They're really like wet with ink, so that's pretty great. And you know, that little ball bearing is actually great. It's easy to, not ball bearing, but the little bearing thing is actually great to use. I suppose sometimes some spools might be different on each side, so you might want to, you know, work them so they work together. This one actually is not an original one because it's in plastic. But then again, you know, that typewriter was made in the 70s, so might have had a metal or plastic spools. So that's it. I've respooled it. Wow, that is quite inky. And since I'm going to be working on my typewriter, I don't want to get it dirty. This is why I put gloves on. And yeah, I'm just going to throw this in the trash because I don't need that many spools, especially since I'm probably going to be buying a few ones from Staples next time I go in. Alright, so that's the video. I'm just trying to catch that little ball. Yeah. Alright. See you later, guys. If you want to see how to put that on your typewriter, Tom Hanks actually has quite a good video where he does put one. So yeah, I think he does a better job. And I dropped the little bead. Alright, see you guys.